Welcome to a quick introduction of the heart space meditation, just so you have a good sense of how amazing this meditation is, what you can expect from it, and the kinds of results you're going to experience. Now, what this meditation does, it softens the body, the mind, and the soul. And depending on how far you take it, because at the end there's this invitation to expand the heart space, to reach beyond your own body, it will also soften the energy in your surroundings, the space you occupy, and even how you experience the world and the universe. It is a very empowering meditation also. This is especially wonderful to do when you feel like everything's a bit at a loss. Life can be very hard sometimes, and the news in the world really doesn't help. And us as humans in our individual lives, we often come to challenges over and over again. We think we've done all this development or come a long way in our lives, only then to have an experience or have a trigger and realize there's still so much work to do. And so in order to approach our own development gently, to be gentle towards others and just anchor into loving kindness, as well as come into alignment with our innate sense of love, our inner truth, and our ability that is within us to make wise choices in our lives, this heart space meditation is a fantastic way to start. So no matter how you're feeling, even if you're having a fantastic day and you just want to ground that joy into your body and being, or if you're having the kind of day where you just don't know and everything is hard and you might be struggling with health, with love, with money, this meditation can soften everything. And when we become soft and relaxed, it's often easier to think clearly. And it's also a great way to have a little moment of rest at times when there's not really an option to rest. So we really hope you enjoy this very special meditation. It is also our belief if everyone were to practice this, the world would be a very different place than it is today. So let's not just practice this for our own lives, but for all the lives in this world. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow your breathing to deepen. Lean a little bit back, really feeling your sit bone touch the ground or the surface beneath you. And gently close your eyes. Place your left hand, the one closest to your heart, on your heart, and your right hand over it with a little bit of pressure. Just enough pressure to feel your own heartbeat. For a few moments with your eyes closed, breathe, feeling the sensation of your hands pressing on your heart, feeling your own heartbeat and all the sensations that come with that. If any thoughts arise, notice them, accept them, and bring your awareness back to your beating heart. Allow your breath to be calm as you breathe into your beating heart. And bring all of your awareness to your beating heart. Notice if it's fast or slow, steady, or a little irregular at this moment. And keep bringing your awareness back over and over again. Now you should feel pretty connected to your heart. Take a moment to reflect on its significance. We know this in our language, that a life best lived is one in which we follow our heart. And so we know that the heart is connected to our sense of inner truth, to our well-being, to the great mystery of life. And it knows already which path is best for us in our life. We are connecting to our hearts, and our heart is already connected to our path. It already knows. A life lived from the heart is a life lived in alignment with truth and love and wisdom. Notice what sensations wash over you as you reflect on this. And with every breath, feel into the spaciousness of your heart. And notice how as you feel into the spaciousness, it naturally starts to expand into the rest of your body. With every inhale, feel the heart space, the sense of connection to love, to your truth, and making wise choices. Feel it expanding through your torso. And you might touch these areas with your hands. Feel it expanding to your throat, your face, and your brain, your head. And just gently applying pressure with your hands on all the places in your body. Those hands that just touched and felt your heartbeat. Feeling the heart space fill your arms and hands, and your legs and your feet. Until your whole body, every part, is in alignment with your beating heart. And for a few more breaths, let this beautiful energy extend outwards around your body, filling the immediate space that surrounds you. until you feel yourself in a cocoon of your own heart energy. And you might bring this further out to fill your room. And if it feels right to you now, let it fill all your surroundings outside. The city or town you are in, even the whole planet, the whole universe. This doesn't have to happen now. It can also just be your immediate surroundings. And it can happen. Let your heart space become as big as feels good to you right now. And whenever you feel complete, staying with these sensations for as long as you like, open your eyes. The meditation is now.